boys and girls. Welcome to Red Deer Public Library's online story time. Can you wave hello to Monkey? Hello. Let's start with our welcome song. Hello everybody and how do you do? How do you do? How do you do? Hello everybody and how do you do? I'm glad you're here today. The monkey says hello, the monkey says hello. Can you say hello like a monkey? The monkey says hello. We have more animals to say hello. What's this one? Do you see his tongue? The frog says hello, the frog says hello. Say hello like a frog. Ribbit, 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 ribbit. The frog says hello. And who's next? How about this little puppet? The mouse says hello. The mouse says hello. Say hello like a mouse. Squeak, 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 squeak. The mouse says hello. And our last puppet is this one. The lion says hello. The lion says hello. Can you say hello like a lion all together? Roar! The lion says hello. Great job. Thank you for joining in. And the first story we're going to read at today's story time is by special permission from Simon & Schuster. And it's written and illustrated by Nancy Tafuri. The Big Storm, a very soggy counting book. We'll probably need your help to count today, boys and girls. Oh, there's some animals there. Do you know what that is? Is that a bear and a baby bear? Here we go, the big storm. The sky started to turn gray. Dark black clouds started to gather. Bird flew for cover. Now there was one in the hill hollow. The wind started to blow. Mouse ran for cover, and now there were two in the hill hollow. Leaves started to swirl. Squirrel ran for cover, and then there were three in the hill hollow. Oh, look at the sky. Do you see the lightning up in the sky? Lightning started to crack. Rabbit ran for cover, and then there were four in the hill hollow. Rain started to fall. Chipmunk ran for cover, and this made five in the hill hollow until... There are more coming. Here they come. Thunder started to rumble and grumble. Woodchuck, raccoon, opossum, and red fox all ran for cover. So now there were 6, 7, 8, 9 in the hill hollow. And then... What number comes after 9? Here he is. Who's our number 10? Skunk squeezed in and made it 10. Looks a little squishy, doesn't it, boys and girls? There they are all together. 10 critters huddled together tight and snug. While the clouds gathered, the wind blew, the leaves swirled, the lightning cracked, the rain fell, and the thunder rumbled and grumbled all night long. At last it was morning. Can you see the sun coming up outside? The sky was clear, but all 10 could still hear a rumble and a grumble in the air. What's making that noise? What's behind them? So they turned and found the sound was coming from 2 bears. Rumble, grumble, rumble, grumble. Are they snoring? I think they're snoring bears. Oh dear, out they flew before the bears got their scent. Now we have to count backwards. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. went. And what did they find? What's it like outside? Oh, is it a beautiful day? The big storm had turned into a very big, beautiful day. Oh, what's that? Is that a big rainbow in the sky? That's right. And who's still sleeping? Oh dear, the bears. I think we should do a scary rhyme this time. Can you show me your big scary eyes? Make your scary eyes. It goes like this. See my big and scary eyes. Get ready for a big surprise. Boom. Let's do it one more time. See my big and scary eyes. Get ready for a big surprise. Boom. You can try scaring your grown-ups later. Well, we're going to do a quick rhyme with balloons, our felt balloons. There's lots of different colors, and let's count them together. And it goes like this. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little balloons. 4 little, 5 little, 6 little balloons. 7 little, 8 little, 9 little balloons. 10 balloons all go pop. Can you pop? Let's count them one more time. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little balloons. 4 little, 5 little, 6 little balloons. 7 little, 8 little, 9 little balloons. 10 balloons go pop. Good job. Did you have a favorite color? I don't know. I have lots of favorite color balloons. So the last story we're going to read today is another one that is with special permission from Simon & Schuster. It's written and illustrated by Amy June Bates and co-written with her daughter, Juniper Bates. You should work together with your grown-ups to create something someday, right? It's called The Big Umbrella. Well, it looks like a rainy day in this story too, doesn't it? There it is by the door. By the front door, there is an umbrella. Do you think it's time to go out? It is big. It is a big, friendly umbrella. Can you see his big smile? It likes to help. I bet you're good helpers too, boys and girls. It likes to spread its arms wide. It loves to give shelter. Are there 2 people under there now? Is that nice to share? Yes. It loves to gather people in. Oh, there's more now. It doesn't matter if you are tall. Oh, we can only see his feet. He's so tall. Or hairy. Is that one pretty hairy? Pretty furry? Or plaid. That's the pattern on them. It doesn't matter how many legs you have. Should they let the puppy come in too? Some people worry that there won't be enough room under the big umbrella. But the amazing thing is, there is. Look at all those people under there. And creatures. The sun's smiling back. There is always room. Is the umbrella protecting everybody? There's their beautiful day. So it's time to say goodbye, boys and girls. I'm going to get Monkey to come out and do our farewell rhyme with us today. And it goes like this. Can you wiggle your fingers? Tickle the stars, tickle your toes, tickle your toes. Turn around and tickle your nose. Wave down low, wave up high. Story time is over. Say goodbye. Goodbye, boys and girls. See you next time.